Are you ready to take your marketing and kick it up a notch? I'm talking about using multi-channel marketing. On this video, I'm going to introduce you to a shop owner, show you what they're doing, and show you how you can use multi-channel marketing and do it really well. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profit, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. You'll get notified every time I upload new information, and you'll be on your way. So this video was about stepping up your marketing to the next level using multi-channel marketing. So just quickly, multi-channel marketing is taking two different ways or more ways of reaching your customer. That could be direct mail and email. It could be direct mail and text message coupons. It could be email and text. It could be any different channels you want. And typically what's happening is these programs launch about the same time. So I'm going to show you how this one shop owner is doing this and doing it very successfully. So right now, Auto Specialty Marketing in Avon, Ohio, Mr. Keith McCrone's shop, who does an incredible job with his marketing, ran this simple postcard. This postcard actually goes one step further and uses the entire scratch idea, something like a scratch-off lottery ticket. You're probably familiar with them. So this postcard was generated with 3 different scratch-off patches on it, and the customer was told they could get one of 2 or 3 different discounts. Here on this particular one, the discount was 30%. So how did this all go multi-channel? Well, of course, channel number 1 was putting this out in mail. Channel number 2 was putting it on a text. And here's how it all happened. Hey, do you know what the number 1 secret is to marketing your auto repair shop to grow your car count, income, and profits, regardless of the economic climate, COVID, or anything else? Well, I do, and for that reason, I just released this brand new download that reveals the number 1 secret to marketing your auto repair shop. But I took it one step further. In this report, I reveal the 5 myths and misconceptions that you need to understand, the 8 questions that you need to ask before you do anything, and the 7 costly mistakes that you need to avoid before you make them and ruin everything in your marketing, no matter how much money you try to throw at it. Right now, in the links below this video, you can download your own copy of the number 1 secret to marketing your auto repair shop, build your car count, income, and profit, and do it all regardless of economic climate, COVID, or anything else. So now, let's get back to the video. Right now, I'm going to show you my phone and walk you through everything on this. For text messaging, it started with one simple message. Matthew, it's Diane at Auto Specialty Services. How much will you save for St. Patrick's Day? Will it be 20%, 30%, 40%? Find out now. Before we go ahead and look at this, I want to bring your attention to a couple of things. Whenever you're texting anything like this, number 1, you want to identify who it's coming from. Right here, this is coming from Diane at Auto Specialty Services. Second is there is always a simple opt-out. The last line of this text says stop to stop. Now, of course, we're making short forms of everything because we want to keep this under 160 characters. But the most important thing is look at the URL. The URL is a custom URL shortener, and in fact, we own a few different domains that we use for this strategy. So the actual domain is we-fix.cc/scratch-win. So let's go ahead and just hit that, and we'll have a look at exactly what happens. So the customer gets to the page to scratch and is told simply to swipe their finger. So right on their phone, they scratch off the coupon and they are a winner because you save 30%. So all they have to do here is tap to redeem, and they're brought to the St. Patrick's Day offer where they save 30%. Now again, I'm not telling you that this is the way you have to go with respect to the discount or the offer. Keith does a great job in marketing, and he sort of knows what he's doing, so I'm not here to question him. In the GoMo text platform, we take the offers that they generate and we actually make them come live. So on the GoMo system, they are actually told here that they can either send a text or call them or complete a form. The simple form goes with first, last name, the best email, cell phone, vehicle details, make and model. They do a selection of the date and the time that they want to book their appointment for, and they're asked if they need a vehicle. With one simple tap to make the appointment, the customer's request goes right to the service advisors at Auto Specialty Services. That's probably one of the best examples of multi-channel marketing that's come across my desk in the recent past. Keith over at Auto Specialty Services in Avon, Ohio, simply did a postcard where he told the customer they would get 20, 30, or 40% off, and that postcard had the scratch off, and that postcard obviously defaulted to a 30% discount. We took that information, started with a simple text message encouraging the customer to find out what discount they had. They went to their phone and did the scratch off coupon, then were directed to the final coupon where they could book their appointment either by calling, texting, stopping by, or completing a simple form. And if you have any questions about how this works on your marketing, go ahead down below. There's a link where exclusive offer to get a 100% free trial as long as you're an auto repair shop somewhere in the US or Canada. If you're one of the 3 people left still watching this video, go over here and see what YouTube says you probably want to see next. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk soon.